Good evening, everyone. My name is Himanshu Kumar, and I am third year student of Simej College, Patna. Here, this is a name of my website. You can see here, online food delivery. Proceed. Before moving ahead, I want to say something. Why I made this project? There are some reason behind it. In a small village, there are lots of small restaurants who have a capability to deliver the food in home delivery, but they have no idea to how to reach how to convert it the physically form to in the digital form. But there is a solution of my website where everyone can reach out deliver the food, and every restaurant have a capability to deliver any food in every home. Proceed. This is my objective of my website. First one is promotes Bihar food in a local way, and second one is easy to manage, increase sale, because every restaurant have a capability to increase on sale. On if our website is on survey, then obviously any user can order in a easily way. This is a feature. First one is item management. Admin can easily manage all the item which item is available or not. And user account. Admin can also handle the user account. How many user hit our website in a weekly way, in a weekly or day wise or monthly wise. And third one is food category management. In my website, all the food is distributed in a category wise. And fourth one is update food system. If the admin want to update the food in a terms of if the admin want to increase the price of the food and decrease the price of the food, they can do that in a easily way. Active or deactive food, that means user can if the food is not available in the restaurant, then the admin can deactivate the food. Whenever the food will available in the restaurant, then they can activate the food. Proceed. This is a home page of my website. You can see here. Whenever the user will click on a category, then this will open, explore the food, and third will be ordered. Here the food menu will be visible. Whenever the user click on the order now button, then this form will be opened for the quantity purpose. And this is SRS of my website. And this is a process logic. First, when admin can add the foods, and admin can deliver send to the deliver boy to the customer, and admin can view all the orders. And admin want if the admin want to update the food, then they can do that in an easily way. And customer view all the foods. And this is a Gantt chart of my website. And SDLC fresh software and development life cycle of my website. And this is a data dictionary in my website. There are 6 tables: admin, category, food, order, user, and order address. Data flow diagram. Here the customer firstly reach out the menu list, order the food, then the process will be executed, and directly process will be executed, and kitchen will connected with the kitchen. If the item will be available or not, then the visible to the admin which item which order by the customer, and check order list by the admin manager. And this is a level 1 DFD. Here you can see that the database is stored. Here all the data will be stored. Confirm order list, and here the update in order list file also, update in revenue file also. And this is a ER diagram. Here there are 6 entity: user, admin, category, order, food menu, and order address. Every entity have attributes, and here all the attributes in every entity have on a primary key like ID in every entity. Now let us move ahead with the uniqueness. What a unique in my website? There are lots of things. First one is in aspect of service availability. Here you can see that in other mostly in cities, not much in a small village, but in my website is for a small restaurant, even in a small villages where other is not. Commission rate, other is highly charge rate, but my website one time investment. If the restaurant will be purchase our website, then they can use in whole life. And third one is local business. Here you can see that the other may not give as much help to the local business, but in my website give extra help to support small local businesses. Customer reach, many people can use it the other website, but not so much in a small village. But in my website, reach out the more people even in a small village where the other is not available. Here my references: YouTube, W3 Schools, Gigs for Gigs, and friend assistants Dilip Kumar. And the future scope. In a coming time, I will edit a technology for the track the delivery by user in a mobile phone. And second one is artificial intelligence. Everything in a coming time, I will convert everything in a automated system with the help of AI. And third one is collaboration. If the coming time, if the collaboration will be needed by our website, then I will do that as subscription model. Subscription model, that means to increase the repetition order by the customer. Thank you.